Xmind is now available in ChatGPT, so it can turn long conversations into clear, editable mind maps. In this video, we'll show you how to create and edit Xmind mind maps within ChatGPT. First, add the Xmind app to your ChatGPT account. Go to ChatGPT Apps, search for Xmind, and connect your Xmind account. Once connected, activate Xmind by typing @Xmind or by choosing Xmind from the Tools menu. When the conversation gets long, just ask Xmind to create a mind map for you, so key takeaways become easier to review and reuse. Once the map is generated, click the link to open it in Xmind. Then it will be saved to your Xmind workspace, where you can continue to polish and share. Need to refine your map? Just describe what you want to update. Add branches, expand topics, or just improve wording. Whether you are starting from scratch or continuing from an existing map, Xmind helps you move from conversation to structure easily. Try the Xmind app in ChatGPT now.